Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the best insights on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung 65-inch Class QLED Q8F 4K UHD Smart TV. This TV is packed with features that promise to elevate your viewing experience. From its AI-powered processor to the stunning quantum dot technology that delivers over 1 billion shades of color. Let's take a deeper dive into what this TV brings to the table and whether it's worth the investment. The Samsung Q8F is a 65-inch 4K UHD TV that's designed to bring you an immersive viewing experience, no matter what content you're watching. Equipped with Samsung's Q4 AI processor, this TV adapts the picture and sound quality based on the type of content you're watching, ensuring that every scene looks and sounds as it should. Whether you're streaming the latest action-packed movie, catching up on your favorite show, or playing a game, this AI technology is constantly working behind the scenes to enhance your experience. This TV also features Samsung Vision AI, which helps fine-tune the color and contrast of each scene in real time for a more detailed, lifelike picture. Speaking of color, the Samsung Q8F brings an eye-popping range of hues with its quantum dot technology. These nano-sized dots can display the entire color spectrum, ensuring that you see over 1 billion colors, even in the brightest scenes. What does that mean for you? It means you'll get deep blacks, vibrant reds, rich greens, and bright blues, all at the same time. It's a visual feast that's sure to make your content pop, whether you're watching in a bright room or dim lighting. No matter the source, this TV can upscale the content to 4K resolution so you can enjoy your movies and shows in stunning detail, regardless of the original quality. When it comes to design, the Samsung Q8F doesn't disappoint. It has an ultra-slim AirSlim profile that allows it to blend seamlessly into your living room. It's minimalistic, sleek, and won't overpower the room's aesthetics. If you're someone who values a clean, clutter-free setup, this design is certainly a big selling point. One feature that truly stands out is the TV's ability to deliver smooth motion, especially for sports fans and gamers. With variable refresh rate, VRR support up to 4K at 144 Hz, you're going to experience fluid, tear-free gaming. If you're into competitive gaming or enjoy fast-paced action, this smooth motion will give you an edge in terms of gameplay. The same goes for watching sports. You won't miss a beat as fast-moving action stays sharp with no ghosting or blur. In terms of entertainment, Samsung's Q8F offers a world of content at your fingertips. You don't need to worry about subscriptions to access a huge variety of channels. With more than 20,700 free channels, including over 400 premium channels, there's no shortage of content to explore. From national and local news to sports, movies, and TV shows, you've got it all. Plus, the TV is continuously updated with new content, so there's always something fresh to watch. Setting up the Samsung Q8F is easy, especially with its smart features. It comes with Alexa built in, so you can control your TV with just your voice. Whether you want to change the volume, switch channels, or search for content, Alexa makes everything hands-free. Plus, the setup process itself is intuitive, with on-screen prompts guiding you every step of the way. Once you've got it set up, navigating the interface is smooth and easy, with apps like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and more just a click away. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the color performance of the Q8F is incredible. The quantum dot technology delivers vibrant colors with unmatched precision, and the AI-driven picture and sound enhancement makes sure that every piece of content looks and sounds its best. The slim design is another highlight, as it blends into the room effortlessly and gives you that sleek, modern look. Gaming is also a major strong point here, with the VRR feature providing ultra-smooth gameplay. Plus, with over 2,700 free channels and 400 premium channels available, you're not going to run out of content anytime soon. On the flip side, the Q8F has a few drawbacks. For one, while the TV is packed with features, the price may be a bit high for those who are budget conscious. There are cheaper alternatives that offer a similar 4K experience, though they may lack some of the premium features like AI-driven enhancements or the sleek design. Additionally, the slim profile, while visually appealing, can sometimes limit the TV's ability to produce deep bass sounds. So if you're a fan of thumping soundtracks or bass-heavy audio, you might want to invest in a soundbar to enhance the experience. When it comes to value for money, the Samsung Q8F offers a lot of high-end features, but the price point may not be for everyone. For those who are willing to pay a premium for exceptional picture quality, a sleek design, and smooth gaming performance, this TV could be a great choice. However, if you're just looking for a basic 4K TV, there are more affordable models out there. Brands like TCL, Hisense, and Vizio offer solid alternatives that deliver good value for the price, but they don't quite match up to the Q8F's color precision, AI processing, and overall design. In terms of build quality, Samsung has always been a reliable brand, and the Q8F is no exception. The materials used in its construction are top-notch, with a durable, premium feel. The AirSlim design is not just for show. It's sturdy while remaining lightweight, and it feels like it will stand the test of time. Although long-term durability can't be fully assessed just yet, Samsung's reputation for building high-quality electronics makes me confident that this TV will continue to perform well in the years to come. As for customer support, Samsung is known for having a solid support team. While I haven't had to reach out for this particular model, the company typically responds quickly and is helpful in resolving any issues. In the unlikely event you face any problems, you can count on Samsung to be there to help guide you through the solution. So, what's the final verdict? The Samsung Q8F is an impressive TV that offers fantastic picture quality, great sound, a sleek design, and a seamless smart TV experience. It excels in gaming, content variety, and color performance, making it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. However, the high price might make it out of reach for some. If you're willing to invest in premium features, this TV is definitely worth considering. For those who are more budget conscious, you might want to explore other options. But if picture quality and design are top priorities, the Samsung Q8F stands out. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions about the Samsung Q8F, or if you already own one and want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. The link to grab the product is in the comments box. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where the best in tech gets reviewed inside out. Stay tuned.